Axial symmetry is a part of transformation geometry. Axial symmetry is a symmetry around an axis. It is the mirror of an image of a plane. Under an axial symmetry, any point and its image are the same distance from the axis of reflection. To get the line of symmetry, you must bisect the line between the points it's going to be reflected on. So the points that I'm reflecting it on are A, which is my starting point, and A dash, which is going to be my other point. I would join A to A dash, then using my compass I would bisect the line to get my line of symmetry. The line of symmetry will be perpendicular to the line A dash. You must then bring all of the points across the line of symmetry at 90 degrees or perpendicular. So each one of these lines are going to be perpendicular to the line of symmetry. Then measure a distance from the line of symmetry to any point on the original shape. So from here to there. And scribe an arc and the same distance on the line continuing through the axes, and this will give the reflected point. So these over here are the reflected points, and they're going to be the same distance from the axes. You repeat the process for all the points and then construct the image. So in a transformation geometry, your starting shape will always be the object, and the reflected shape will always be the image, or any transformation geometry taken upon it. So some places where people might go wrong is actually viewing the image itself. So to make it easier, I've drew a cutout here of the shape. There it is there. So what we're simply doing is just flipping the shape over. It's going to be the exact same, just a different, facing a different direction, because it's a mirror image. Some people could sketch out the shape to try and understand what it would look like, because some people might not get their head around it flipping over or something. You have to make sure that the lines passing through the line of symmetry are always 90 degrees or perpendicular to the line of symmetry. And you doing that, I would use side and set squares, and just every line would have to be parallel to A dash, and just bring the points on down using my side and set squares. Another useful tip would be to make sure to keep the compass at fixed distance, so that you keep your reflected image as accurate as possible. So you must make sure that that point will stay the same distance as that one.